Timo, the word scout, stands at the base of the towering iron peaks. The mountains feel powerful, strong, and impossible to ignore. A new word fits this challenge perfectly. The path grows steeper, and the climb demands focus and respect. A massive boulder blocks the trail, heavy and unmoving. The obstacle feels overwhelming at first. Instead of giving up, a clever way forward begins to appear. Finding a path around the boulder brings relief and confidence. Formidable means powerful, difficult, and demanding respect. Timo looks ahead, knowing even formidable challenges can be faced.
Thank you for watching Vocab Cartoons. If you learned something new today, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your friends. Click the bell button so you don't miss our next word adventure. See you in the next video. Bye!